So this is pretty much saying that the signing the Constitution of the US occurred just a few steps from where we are, and that is right over here. We have an Asian man in there. Wait, Oppo! Yo! You own like so many buildings! There's Jefferson. There's Jeffers on Bev. You own a street buildings. You have buildings here. You know you're rich. Guys, this is the Liberty Bell. It's like a little fair going on here. This is Water Garden. Interesting. It's mostly cocktails and stuff. Hey guys, don't forget to like and subscribe as we explore Philadelphia during nighttime. Thank you. Wow. Guys, this is a USS Olympia. Wow. Check that out. I mean, I wish it was not nighttime, but we just got here. That's so cool. Darn cool. USS Olympia, guys. I have to look up the history of it. That's my stepfather. God, this is the first time I've seen a submarine. This is a submarine, guys. That's awesome. This is the ship Moshulu. Oh, so cool. Papa Jeff, why is my thing different? Yo, where's the time to sing, babe? Baby, ready? We're in the history. We're learning about history, so I think we should sing I'm proud to be American. Ready? Ready? Sing! And I'm proud to be an American.
Chinaman.
When at least I know who gave that right to me, I gladly stand up. Out, I love this land. God bless the USA.
China.
Yeah, you were born here.
Oh.
Stop it. What's wrong with you?
USA.